In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover an HDMI cable, not just any HDMI cable. This is the 8K ultra high speed HDMI cable by the company, what is that, Cratree? And this has been, you know, 8K quality testing on it. Looking over the back, and we'll just kind of like go over the specs. This supports up to 8K at 60 hertz refresh rate. That's 7,680 by 4,320p HD resolution, backward compatible, 4K 120 hertz, which basically any type of gaming, whether it's PlayStation, Xbox, or something like that, you're going to want that 120 hertz because a lot of the games now are running at 120 hertz. It's got the high speed signal transmission, the bandwidth compatibility. It can 48 gigabytes per second on that. It supports 3D and 48-bit coloring. 48-bit coloring is massive, trust me. Anti-oxidizing gold-plated connector, low EMI, which EMI is like an interference. It's electromagnetic interference. It's got a very stable transition, special terminal. Everything else braided resistance, supports enhanced audio channels. What else we got here? That looks like it. Let's open it up and see what this thing looks like, because I'm excited. Okay, so open up. Oh, they vacuum packed that. How awesome. I've never seen anybody vacuum pack a cable. They didn't just cram it down in there with a little zip tie. They actually vacuum packed it. I'm gonna have to get a knife and cut this. Looks like they have these little ties right there. I can tell y'all, looking at the cable, it feels extremely premium. This does not feel cheap at all. It has like so you can kind of mold it. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. You can mold this cable around things. It comes with a little cover over the connector right there. It's got HDMI 8K and Cratree on the back. So let me go ahead and hook this up. I'm going to hook it up to my Blu-ray DVD player, and then we'll see. And you know, I can't really tell that much because it's not an 8K, but it is a 4K. So we can go ahead and hook that up and go Blu-ray DVD player, and it's a 3D, but my TV's not 3D, but I'm going to run it to this, and that's how I'm going to run this cable right here. So let's go ahead and do that now. I like how stiff the cable is there. And then I'm just gonna run it through there. So I have the cable hooked up there. Let me go ahead and put this Blu-ray in. This is the Immortals. You can kind of see right there. I don't know how well you can tell it in the camera about this with this loading and playing. Well, to me it looks a little crisper. It seems like it's less pixelated around there, so I can't really tell on camera how much better it is, but I highly recommend upgrading your cables because, you know, it's the line of defense between the Blu-ray and the TV. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the 8K HDMI cable. See you guys in the next video.